things that we need to know about YouTube. One of the channels whereby we can propagate the gospel more is all these platforms: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikToks, and the likes. So now let me just go straight into YouTube. One of the things that you need to know whenever you wanted to upload a video on YouTube is what we know as title. The title of your video must be in sync with that video you uploaded. Another thing that you need to know is you need to understand what is termed as description of that video. Another thing you need to know is thumbnail. I mentioned title, I mentioned description, I mentioned thumbnail. Now, how does YouTube algorithm works? You discover that there are some videos that are doing well on YouTube, meaning that you have a lot of views on those videos, where some are not doing well just because they fail to just follow the normal guidelines and principles of YouTube. YouTube is not hard as we claim it to be. YouTube is one of the simplest way that you can reach people, and you can even generate income. That is, you can monetize it faster. Initially, I think if I'm very correct, as at 2024 or probably 2023, there was no monetization for Facebook page in Nigeria. There is monetization for Facebook pages in other countries, not even all the countries, but in Nigeria there was no Facebook monetization. It was, I think, around 2023 or 2024 they started. So, but YouTube is actually a way whereby your video can go much further and you can monetize it faster, because the criteria for monetization on YouTube is not as that on Facebook. Now, the criteria for monetization on YouTube is just when you have 500 subscribers and also 3,000 watch hours. That is the first step. Initially it was 1,000 and 4,000 watch hours, but currently YouTube have helped us to limit it, so it's now 500 subscribers. So once your channel reaches 500 subscribers, you'll be able to monetize it, and once you have 3,000 watch hours, you are good to go. But before you can apply for YouTube partnership program, that's YPP, whereby they begins to show ads on your videos, and then those ads begins to generate income for you. That is when you have to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I was explaining the other time that one of the ways YouTube works is when you want to upload a video, I said you have to first mind your title, your description, your thumbnail. And another thing I said while I was explaining the streaming is that you need to use keywords, you need to use tags, you need to use hashtag. And there's what we call SEO on YouTube. That's search optimization engine. Now, what is search optimization engine? Is just that whenever anyone is trying to search for video related to what you posted, it's going to be one of the first 10, the top videos that they are going to bring. So there's a way you actually optimize your channel. There's a way you optimize your channel that, let's say the watchers. Now, whenever anybody search for the watchers on YouTube, if the channel is well optimized, any video related to the watchers is what is going to bring. For example, now I think someone has even checked on YouTube. They said it's showing on YouTube. Wow, thank you for that response. So now, if you check on YouTube and then you search for the watchers, if the channel is well optimized, it's going to bring every video related to the watchers. That is the videos that you live stream them or you've uploaded them on YouTube. That is why when you check for, maybe let's say for example, you check for Mackenzie, you check for RCCG, you check for Pastor Adebo, you check anything, you discover that a whole bunch of videos YouTube will bring them for you. Reason because apart from the fact that there was an optimization on the channel, there is also an optimization on each video. So during the optimization of the videos, there's what we call they use those names. For example, now let's say you search for Pastor Tokwa Adeyemo on YouTube, you will see a lot of videos related to him because we were able to do the SEO on each video that he does and that was posted. So if you search for Pastor Tope Adeyemo, the videos that is going to bring you to is the videos that it was being optimized and his name was among. So I think, although there are lots to this YouTube automation of a thing, but for the basis, this is what we should know. There are others like end screen, there are others like cards, there are others like languages, but for the basics rather, this is what I think we should know. So your title, don't forget your title is very, very much important. Your thumbnail, very much important. Your thumbnail, very much important. Your description, very much important. And optimize your video very well. Your tags, your hashtags, your keywords. Make sure everything is pointing to what. Don't post a video on salvation and then you are putting Holy Spirit under your tags. It's not related. Even if people search for Holy Spirit, it's going to bring them to that video. And then once, one thing about YouTube is that once anybody watch your video and they discover that the content is not what they wanted, the content is not what they are looking for, is not what they actually needed, they will not come back to that channel. And that is what is killing most YouTube channels. So whenever you want to upload videos, make sure that all these things that we've said are actually in place. Your title, your description, your hashtags, your thumbnail, your keywords, your tags, and you are good to